What's up everyone, Atan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 apps to download and earn PayPal money fast in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so before we get started, I have a link below in the description for my top recommendation on how to make money online. Don't forget to have a look at that when we are finished here. But this is a perfect way to get started with and make some extra cool PayPal cash fast in 2019. Alright, with that being said, let's get started with app number 1. The first app is Livecoin, livecoin.ai, and it is really a bit of unusual, I would say, because you could actually pay for walking outside. You see here, collect Livecoins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. And if you go here to Google Play, you can see here, you earn rewards by walking, running, hiking, moving, or exercising outside. And Livecoin rewards Livecoins for step counting and walking. Redeem Livecoins for gift cards, gadgets, etc. If I go back to the site here, you can see you have PayPal. If you don't want PayPal for some reason, you can actually get some Amazon gift cards. There is iTunes gift cards and so on. So really a cool way to get started for 2019. Start to walk. The more you walk, the more you earn. Alright, that's it about Livecoin. The next app we're going to have a look at is FeaturePoints.com. You get rewarded here on your phone with surveys, cashback and more. And you can see here that you can complete surveys, downloading apps which we are interested in. Unfortunately only for Android here, but you can make money with other ways, to be honest here also. Sharing with friends, you get paid up to 50% here every time your friends earn points for life, which is really nice. And also if you complete surveys here. So this is actually more than just downloading apps, and you redeem your points for awesome rewards here. PayPal is included here, of course, also. So FeaturePoints, one of the most popular sites actually, FeaturePoints.com is the second app that you can download here. And the third one is Money SMS App, moneysmsapp.com. And you can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, what you do here actually, you download this app and you will receive SMS and get paid for every SMS that you receive from them. So if we scroll down a bit here, to earn money online with Money SMS, you should not do anything actively, just run the app and get paid for received SMS. Really simple, so you don't have to do anything at all actually. Just receive the SMS and you get paid. Free and easy to set up, and they do have a lot of reviews. So as I said earlier, you download the app, register, connect to the internet, you keep it running, you receive some test SMS and you get paid online. As I said, you won't get rich because you see here you get 0.02 in euros, pretty much the same in dollars or cents actually. But it's a cool way to make some extra money, definitely. And of course, here is a referral program, making extra money online by inviting your friends to the app there. So you can have a look at it. This was a cool video that explains everything in less than a minute. So if I just go to the Google Play here, in the new tab, there is also an FAQ, we can have a look at that, but here's how it looks for Google Play. And yeah, you can read it and install it here later on. Just have a quick look at FAQ, run the app, wait for test SMS to deliver from our systems, and you get paid automatically for each test SMS you receive from. So that is another app. Now, there is definitely much more apps. I always recommend to sign up for 2 or 3 of those. That's why I always include more than one recommendation for every video I make. Sign up for 3 of those to make some extra money. But keep in mind, my number one recommendation is at the link below for how to build a real online business and how to make money online for a long term. Alright, so that's it. 3 apps to earn PayPal money fast in 2019. Now, if you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Most importantly, there is a link below in the description for my number one recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.